Hi, I'm Bob Kutschbach, owner and broker of Carleton Realty, and I want to let you know what the market is like in Central Ohio here in mid-year 2019. We still have a very, very strong market in terms of sellers. We have more buyers than we have sellers, so it's an excellent time if you're thinking about selling your home. But it's also a good time to buy a home. One of the biggest issues that we're seeing today is how rents are jumping, how there is a shortage of housing units. Latest estimate was about 30,000 less housing units than we have new jobs. So people are experiencing a great escalation in their rents from year to year. And one of the ways to, of course, solve this is to buy a home where your payment is fixed for many years, with the only fluctuation being the increase of taxes or insurance, which are usually pretty moderate. So here's some tips on buying a home in the current market. First of all, people need to understand that a used home is a used home, that not everything is going to be perfect, and not to expect everything to be new. But that's why you get a better deal on a used home than you do a new home. Statistics today show that a new home costs roughly $100,000 more than the average used house. So you can really save money and have a much more affordable monthly payment if you choose to buy a used home. But you do want to make sure that especially the safety issues are taken care of. So as you're looking at the home, pay special notice to things like roofs and foundations, electric, plumbing, furnaces and air conditioners. Of course, we're going to strongly recommend that you hire a qualified home inspector. But when you're evaluating the house, obviously you don't want too many types of repairs that will be unaffordable or will make it difficult for you to occupy your new home. The second tip is to get a good lender. Use a good, experienced real estate agent to identify the types of things about your financial situation. Down payment, monthly income and debts, and then that agent can kind of guide you as to whether you would be best served by an FHA lender, a conventional lender, a non-conforming lender, a VA lender. Some loan officers, some loan companies do a variety of loans, but rarely is one company the best at everything. So consult a real estate professional as to who the best lenders are for the type of loan. A real estate professional can also help identify down payment assistance programs that you may qualify for. Now, the problem is not all lenders do all down payment assistance programs. In fact, a lot of lenders only do a few. So after the real estate professional, the agent, helps you identify what kind of down payment assistance is available, then they can recommend the types of lenders that can help you do that. So find a good lender, find a home that is within your budget, a home that doesn't need more work than what you can afford to do. Write a good offer through that professional agent and get a home inspection. Now, we use a standard contract, which has been approved by legal counsel, but it's never a bad idea to have an attorney look over that contract once it's been negotiated. And most attorneys will tell you, go ahead and negotiate the contract and then let me look at it. And that will save you a lot of money rather than having the attorney look at every offer that you present. Now, once we have the home inspection and repairs are made to your satisfaction, then of course we're going to have an appraisal. And in today's market, it's fairly unpredictable what the appraiser will say. Lots of houses are selling at or above list price, which is a small risk in terms of it not appraising. But in most cases, the appraisal will come in if you're paying what would be a normal price for a normal buyer in the market. So the appraisal is an important part of the process to protect you. Also, having a survey is wise to make sure the house is not built over some setback line or somebody's driveway is not encroaching on your property or vice versa. and a termite inspection. Many lenders today don't require a termite inspection. I still would recommend one, just to make sure there's no wood-boring insects present in the house that could cause problems or cost you money to have them treated. So I recommend both a termite inspection and to have a survey done. And then, of course, the transaction will be in the hands of the title company, the escrow agent, the closing officer. We use all these terms to indicate the same people. And they'll draw up your closing documents, and you'll go in and you will sign them. And just making sure that all the paperwork is filled out correctly and does comply with the terms of the loan. And then the last thing is the keys. We'll arrange for you to get the keys so that you can move into your new house. And we hope that you really enjoy that house. That's our job. That's our primary job, is to find a house that's right for you, the consumer. And we hope we will be able to achieve that. If you have more questions about the process, please call us at Carleton Realty
at 614-891-0000 or visit us online at carletonrealty.com. Click subscribe so that you'll be notified when new videos come out. Thank you for watching.